I'm a DM, now she wanna see him. If you wanna link, baby, gotta be the weekend. Just follow me.
Bit check. Daniel Johnson Supreme shirt today. How are you guys doing? Yeah, it's Austin here. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a like and subscribe. If you don't, drive your car off the next bridge that you see. Today, we're going to be doing a shoe unboxing. The Reebok, yes, I said Reebok, Question BBC Ice Cream sneakers. My first pair of Reeboks that I've probably ever bought in my life. STOCKX. Look at the box. This is super cool, though. This is super cool. Box is very intricately designed. Ice Cream Iverson. That's fresh. So I guess this is done in collaboration with Billionaire Boys Club. Extra laces. Strawberry sherbet color. Here we are right here. Reebok BBC Question lows. Suede on the outer front. Nicer quality of suede right here. This is like foam right here. I'm not sure what kind of material this is. The tongue. Love the tongue. Allen Iverson. Then we have our ice cream cone right here. Love the laces. Nice big thick laces. And then we have our air bubbles for more jumping power. Looks like there's a honeycomb in there. So we have two sets of laces that come in the shoe. That's a little confusing. These look really nice too. That gum bottom. Also, look at the insole design on the shoe.